Hello YouTube, this is Marshall Curtis, and I have a problem with this vacuum. I recently trash picked this Eureka Powerline Plus Gold, made in the USA. And it needed cleaning. It needs a new bag. It's a bag vacuum, unlike most of them which are bagless. And it also needed a new belt. But can somebody show me how to get this brush roll out of here? No other vacuum I ever trash picked since 2014 has this design. It looks like I'm supposed to push this in to try to pop this out, but it doesn't work. It won't budge a bit. And I looked on Google, and it's instructed to, on the non-belt side, pull up and out, but it still won't budge. So can somebody help me how to remove the brush roll on this so that I can replace the belt? Oh, and the model of this vacuum is model 9741 Type A. And I've not been able to find anything on YouTube that instructs how to remove that brush roll. Okay, if you like this video, click like and please subscribe and comment below if you have any input as to how to remove this brush roll. This is Marshall Curtis. Thanks for watching. Peace out.